Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to disable third-party cookies using the Selenium WebDriver. First, we need to use Eclipse to create a new project. Let's call it disable third-party. Third-party. Next. And finish. Now we have the source. We need to add a new class. Let's call it Chrome. Finish. Now in order to use Selenium, we need a Selenium library to use Chrome. We need a Chrome driver. So let's install Selenium library and Chrome driver. We go to Selenium web browser automation, then to download we will download the Java library, and then we need to download the WebDriver for the Chrome. Here is the drivers for browsers. We need a Google Chrome driver. All versions available, or we need the latest release. Now we need to download it for Windows environment. Now when the Selenium library and the Chrome driver installed, we need to extract both. Then we move to Eclipse again. Actually, instead of creating a normal class, we can create a JUnit directly. Eclipse wants to perform the following operation to add the JUnit for library to the project, which is required to run any test case. Now we need to create a folder. Let's call it like for libraries. In this folder we need to add Selenium libraries. And copy the file and all libraries attached here. Okay. Then we need to copy the WebDriver for the Chrome into our project also. To source. The following step is to add those libraries to our project. So we need to go to properties, then Java build path, libraries, Then we need to add jars. We select all of them and then hit OK, apply, and then OK. So now we are ready to start creating our Chrome WebDriver with the third-party cookies disabled. First thing we need to define WebDriver. It's called driver, and we need to define a constant to take in the time out, which equals to 30 seconds. Now in the setup, first we need to let Selenium know the path of the Chrome driver, so we use the system dot set property. The key is WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver to have the value for the absolute path of the Chrome driver. In order to get the absolute path, we go to the property and copy the location of the web driver. We need to add the escape sequence. Now the system can know where is the location of the Chrome driver. So the second thing, we need to define Chrome options equals new Chrome options. Now we need to add the option of setting the third-party cookies through defining a map of string and object. It's called map of string and object, and we add object here to be generic. Some options requires string, some options requires boolean values, so object is generic one. Let's call it eclipse equal new hash map of string and object. Now for this we need to add the option eclipse dot push dot the key and the value here. So how we get the value of the third party cookies to be disabled or enabled? We go to Chrome. From the options we go to settings. From the settings we click on show advanced settings. Then we go to the privacy. There is the content settings buttons. Here is the cookies, first one in the pop-up. We have this checkbox here called block third party cookies and site data. We inspect this element. We see here that there is an input element. It's called profile.block third party cookies. We copy this value and move here to Eclipse, paste it. Since this option is a checkbox, so we need to set it to be true. Then we need to attach those preferences to Chrome options using the following command: options dot set experimental option with the key briefs and the value our created hash map briefs. Now we need to attach those options to desired capability object in order to be recognized by the Chrome WebDriver. So we say desired capabilities cap equal desired capabilities dot Chrome. Now we have desired capabilities for the Chrome WebDriver. Then we need to set the capability Chrome options dot capability to be the Chrome options. Now we need to set the driver to be new Chrome driver with our capabilities. Now we need to set the timeout driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait to be the time out, and we need to specify the time unit per seconds. By the way, we can ignore this step because the default timeout is 30 seconds. Now for the after, we have nothing to do, just to close the WebDriver. So driver dot out. For the test, we need just to navigate to Google in order to check if the options is taking effect or not. So we need to do driver dot get https www.google.com, and then we need to wait 10 seconds in order to verify if those options need to throw exception. Now we are ready to check if our settings is working correctly or not. So we need from the context menu to perform run as a JUnit, and as we see, Chrome is running, and we have this logo here. So we wait 1 second. Let's run again and make sure if the third-party cookies is disabled or not. Let's stop the execution here and move back to the Chrome settings, content settings, and the third-party cookies are disabled. That's all. Thanks for watching.